Formula E driver designs his dream car, and DS Automobiles builds it. The tailor-made number 4 concept just made its world debut at the Brussels Motor Show, and this isn't your typical concept car. It's what happens when a 20-year-old racing driver and gaming enthusiast gets handed the keys to a luxury design studio. Start with the exterior, and you'll immediately notice this thing sits lower and wider than the standard number 4. The stance alone tells you this was influenced by motorsport. Up front, there's a massive illuminated number 4 logo dominating the grille, flanked by pixelated headlights that look like they were pulled straight from a video game. Those vertical LED daytime running lights? Pure DS DNA, but sharper and more aggressive here. The wheels measure 22 inches, and they're wrapped in what DS calls craft titanium, a hand-crumpled metallic textile that replaces traditional carbon fiber. It's innovative, artisanal, and it catches light in ways carbon never could. Around back, you'll find a split rear spoiler and vertical light signatures with Taylor Barnard's racing number, 77, subtly integrated into the illuminated diffuser. The entire body is finished in pure titanium, with liquid titanium accents that flow like molten metal. The design philosophy here is fascinating. Taylor Barnard, the British DS Penske Formula E team driver, worked directly with the DS design studio to create this one-off. He drew inspiration from two worlds, competitive motorsport and video games. The result is a car that balances dark monochrome shades with strategic pops of color. Light gold touches appear on the mirrors, wheel center caps, and bonnet badge. That's the signature DS performance color. Purple accents hit the door openers and side badges. That's Barnard's favorite color. His lucky number 77 shows up on the bonnet, door handles, and rear diffuser lighting. DS even partnered with Voldex to bring this concept into Roblox's Driving Empire game later in 2026, so you'll actually be able to drive it virtually. Underneath the wild styling sits the technical foundation of the standard number 4 E-Tense electric. That means 213 horsepower, an 80.5 kilowatt-hour battery, and 450 kilometers of WLTP range. The concept measures 4.53 meters long, 2.1 meters wide, and just 1.43 meters tall. Ground clearance drops to 70 millimeters up front and 87 at the rear. It's significantly lower than the production model. So, what does this concept actually mean? It's a one-off show car with no production plans, but DS executives have hinted that a performance version of the number 4 could happen. This tailor-made concept showcases what that might look like: wider track, lower stance, aggressive aero, and a direct visual link to Formula E. It also demonstrates DS's commitment to personalization and its decade-long involvement in electric motorsport. Which color scheme would you choose if DS offered to build your own program like this? Drop your spec in the comments. Next up, I'll be covering more electric concepts from Brussels, so subscribe to follow the series. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.